yesterday we talked about subtraction. And when we subtract, we're pushing it away. Very good. So we are not getting more. We're not getting a bigger number. We are getting a smaller number. It's away. So when I have a subtraction sentence, what is this called? The difference. You are exactly right. I'm so glad that you remember that this is called the difference. Okay? Thank you for remembering that, because that is when we subtract. Okay? Please get out of your box, sir. You do not need all of those things. Thank you. So, we're trying to find the difference when we are subtracting. Today, yesterday we used cubes. Today, we are going to be using counters. Okay? And remember, they're yellow on one side and red on the other side. So some of our answers are going to be yellow and some of them are going to be red. So I want you to get out your top colorful page and I want you to get your pencil. Please do not get a crayon yet. I just want your pencil. So I have my black. So that is showing you that that is my pencil. Okay? Jeff has 5 apples. So how many counters should I draw? 5. So let's draw 5 counters with our pencil. Three apples are red. So how many are we going to color red? 3. Very good, first grade. So now we can get our crayon and color 3 of them red. The rest are yellow. Does it tell us how many are yellow? No, it doesn't. How many apples are yellow? What's it asking us? How many apples are yellow? Are 5 of them yellow? No. Are 3 of them yellow? No. How many are yellow, sir? 2. How'd you find that?
Because you can draw it on a paper.
Okay, very good. Did we draw, sir, can you pay attention? Did we draw, put your pencil down. Did we draw more? No, we did not. We already drew our 5 because remember our first number was 5. So we drew 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it told us that 3 of them were red. So I'm going to take 3 of them away so that I can figure out how many of them are yellow. So now he is exactly right. I only have 2 more left to color. So what color are these last 2 going to be?
Yellow.
Yellow. So please color your last 2 yellow. Raise your hand if you know what 5 minus 3 is. Oh, good. Everyone in the classroom should know. Excellent. Remind me, first grade, how many apples were red?
3.
3. Thank you, sir, for paying attention. 3 apples were red. But I'm trying to find out how many yellow ones.
2.
What's 5 minus 3, first grade?
2.
2. So how many apples were yellow? 2. Jeff has how many yellow apples? 2 yellow apples. First grade, today is going to be all about organization. organization. We are not going to be adding more. Do you understand? We are not going to be adding more. We are only going to draw what we need to first and then color those that we have drawn. We're not going to draw any more. Let's try another one to help us out. So go ahead and turn your page to the back side. And what's the first word we see? What's special about this word?
Golden and highlighted.
It's bolded and highlighted. Very good. And we do know that word. Isn't it an important word? Yes, it is such an important word. Are we subtracting today? Yes, we are. Subtract to find out how many cups there are. So first, let's read this. Mary has 6 cups. 2 cups are big. The rest are small. How many cups are small? What do we have to do first? We have to do these steps in order to stay organized. What are we going to have to do first? What are we going to have to do first? We don't have anything to cross out. How many? No. It did not have the number 4 up here. It does not. Look at my story. It did not have that. What do we need to do first? See how you need to stay organized, sir? It's extremely important that you stay organized. We can't just jump around and do whatever step we want to. We have to do the first step first, otherwise it gets confusing. So, what are we supposed to do first? What does it first tell us in the story to do? This is why you need to pay attention in class, sir. What do we need to do first? Draw 6. So with your pencil, you need to draw 6 counters. This is a very important step. This is with your pencil. You need to draw this many first. Now we can color. Are we going to draw any more? No. Are we going to draw any more? No. We are done drawing now. That was our first step, and then we're done with drawing. Okay, so everyone write 6 on the line. And then a minus because we are subtracting. Now let's look back at our story to see what we need to do next. What do you think we need to do next? Color how many? What does our story tell us? What does our story tell us? What does our story tell us to do? Okay, it tells us how many are big first. And how many are big? 2 are big. So we are going to color 2. But guess what, first grade? They've already done that for us. Okay? So even though they did it for us, do we still need to pay attention to see why they did it? Yes, it is extremely important. cups are big, so now I'm going to color 2 cups. Now, what is my last step? Okay, color all the rest of them what color? Yellow. Please do that now. Where did I get my number 6 from? From the words from this story. Where did I get my 2 from? From the story. 6 minus 2 equals, raise your hand if you know what 6 minus 2 equals. First grade? 4. Remember, are we adding? No, we are not. In first grade, I want you to drop your pencils and I want you to look up here real quick. This picture is supposed to help us. We had 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus means we are pushing it away. How many did I push away? So I'm sliding these counters away. So now how many counters do I have left? 4. That is my difference. Do you guys understand? Okay. Very good. Let's practice.